All right, we gotta divide these. I wonder if these are factorable. So x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 10. So x, move that here. This is going to be, if you factor x squared, you get x plus 2. If you factor minus 5x plus 2, that and that is equal. You factor that out and you get x squared minus 5, okay? What about this? You can factor out x squared to get x minus 3 minus 5, x minus 3. So you can factor those two out. You get x squared minus 5, okay? So when you divide f at x over g at x, so that all over that, okay, and x clearly cannot equal 2. There's a restriction 3, and from here plus minus root 5. Even though it reduces, to find the domain of the original quotient, we have to do it before it reduces. So the final simplification is this. But the domain is x cannot be 3 and plus minus root 5, but it can be everything else.